Boom shakalaka, Cardano is having a pretty eventful week, but despite all the recent news, is having a hard time breaking previous all-time highs. Today's video, we're going to take a look at Cardano, the recent news announcements, and then compare Cardano to some of the top other cryptocurrencies you could be holding, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and even Dogecoin. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are talking about Cardano and everything Cardano for the Cardano fanboys. But before we do, guys, head over to Twitter. Come join us at the Crypto Love, where we're giving away t-shirts like this every single week. You could get one too. We just had our first winner the other day. And also like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Now, Cardano has had a massive run up since last March, when it was like 2 cents and now batting against previous all-time highs at about $1.56. However, it's gone 1, 2, 3 times against all-time highs, having a hard time breaking through that $1.56 area. Now, this is kind of surprising considering that Cardano has had some recent pretty exciting news like this. IOHK partners with the Ethiopian government to revamp the education system. The research and development arm behind Cardano is deploying its expertise to provide Ethiopian authorities with a new system for student and teacher identification, digital grade verification, and the remote monitoring of school performance. IOHK's Atala Prism ID will allow authorities to create a tamper-proof record of educational performance for 5 million students across 3,500 schools. It will also enable the Ethiopian government to narrow down locations and causes of educational underachievement. Not only that was in the news, but also this was in the news. A lot of people didn't know that this was related to Cardano, but your future at stake. University of Wyoming allocates $4 million to staking 3 coins. Wyoming is one of the very crypto-friendly states out there. Well, University of Wyoming could be allocating its future to staking $4 million of coins. As a matter of fact, many Twitter users have responded to Long's post with speculation that Cardano may be one of the assets the university is intending to stake. One commenter shared a link information on staking pool identified by cardanostaking.info as being operated by the University of Wyoming's Advanced Blockchain Lab. As of this writing, the pool has minted less than 10 blocks and has pledged roughly $60,000 worth of ADA. In February 2020, IOHK, the company behind Cardano, donated $500,000 worth of ADA to the university's blockchain lab to advance its research. So Cardano, a lot in the news this week. And I mean, most people, there's a lot of Cardano fanboys. They're making the world work better for all. Who doesn't want that to happen? But with that happening, we see the price kind of stagnant right now at $1.31. And if we take a look, we had previous all-time highs here in January of 2018. And for the past couple of months, it's just been kind of sitting since February, having a hard time breaking through that 156 area. Look, we're just kind of batting against that. Now, what is in the cards for Cardano? Well, if we take a look at it compared to USD, well, looks like we have a little bit of a wedge right here. And this type of wedge generally breaks to the upward side. As long as we're able to continue finding support right here, oftentimes what will happen is this will actually break to the upper side and go up like that. So versus US dollars, if you're going to hold US dollars or Cardano, you're much better off holding Cardano ADA right now. But let's take a look at Bitcoin, because who would hold US dollars anyways? Well, turns out that even against Bitcoin, this dotted trend line right here, Cardano has a very solid trend line since January of this year. It's just been kind of rising in Bitcoin comparative. And Bitcoin's been kind of stagnant, so potentially Cardano could keep on going against that. Now, I will say that if we really zoom out, we do have this top, this solid line, a downtrend right here that we could be going up against. That towards the end right there would be somewhere around June at about 2,800 sats. Well, potentially Cardano could find some resistance there, but then we'll have a breakout either up or down at that point. But as of right now, even if you're considering holding Bitcoin or Cardano, seems like Cardano is the better bet. Now, everybody's talking about Ethereum. Ethereum is hot right now, very hot. Well, recently, Cardano and Ethereum have had this kind of megaphone trend. You see how it kind of expands. It's just kind of a sideways megaphone. And temporarily, briefly, Cardano broke out of that, but has fallen back into the gravity pull of this megaphone trend. And it would appear like the next move for this type of thing would be to go down bounce off the bottom, and then go up, and then bounce off the top, and then down, and then up, and then keep on doing that type of thing. So that appears like what the next trend would be. So if you're considering holding Cardano versus Ethereum, it would seem like Ethereum would be the better bet in this moment. Now, what about Binance Coin? Because Binance Coin, everybody loves that. It's like Ethereum, only cheaper transaction fees. Well, for the most part, it seemed like Cardano was in this ascending trend here, this kind of bullish trend, so bullish trend. However, on the date of February 9th, it reached pretty much hard resistance, this dotted trend line. It has yet to break that trend line, and that trend line could bring it down all the way to the recent bottom in price, right at about 1584. Okay, well, if that happens, then we'll have a breakout then, but we have to see Cardano break that. And as a matter of fact, if you take a look here, we have what appears to be bottom 1, bottom 2, confirmation point, double bottom, could potentially send Cardano down even further. So if you're looking at holding Cardano or Binance Coin, it would seem like Binance Coin would be the better one to hold. And in the news today, Elon Musk, Doge market maker, meme currency pumps as SNL skit looms. We have within hours coming up this SNL skit. Well, because of that, the Doge father, May 8th, coming up hours and a week away, well, he may be talking about Dogecoin. This is likely going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news. So you may want to buy until May 8th and then sell on the 8th, thereabouts. That would be a good strategy. Well, Doge pumped 10% in a day. That's going up. Let's see how Cardano compares to Doge. If we take a look, ooh, straight bearish pattern. So if you're considering holding Cardano, ADA, or Doge, yeah, you would probably want to hold Doge. So out of all of those, ADA is doing better than US dollars, doing better than Bitcoin, not doing better than ETH, not doing better than Binance Coin, not doing better than Dogecoin. However, it's doing good for the world. So if you believe in the world, you might want to hold some Cardano. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys later. If you did enjoy, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, come join us on Twitter for a chance to win your free shirt, and I'll catch you later. Peace.